Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video for this hair. This is a frontal wig, but I did do a flip over method and put it behind the hairline, so I have my hair out in the front. If y'all want to see how I did it and where this hair is from, then keep on watching. Okay dolls, so this hair is from Westkiss hair. This is the box that it came in. And then also the hair came in a satin bag as well, which I really like because then I could just throw the box out and I will still know where the hair is from. They sent some goodies on the inside. I haven't opened them yet, but this looks like a bonnet, I believe. And it says Westkiss on the front. Let me just open it to make sure. So this is a bonnet. And it looks like pretty large. Like you could probably even use this like when you have braids and stuff. But they give you this bonnet, and then also let's see what else we have in here. We have a scarf, like a silk scarf, and then we have this. They sent a lot of stuff. I hadn't looked in here to see what all was in here. Oh, this is cute. I haven't got one like this. So this is a hair wrap, and it's actually like a velvety kind of material. All the ones that I get are more so satin. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this out and see how it works. And it has a crown on it, so perfect for me. I will definitely be trying that out. Super cute. They also sent some wig caps, 2 brown ones, this little card. It's a Christmas card. I think my hair, it was after Christmas when I got it. I know I'm not that late doing this video, but yeah. Then they sent another Christmas card, and they also sent the nude caps as well, so that's really cool. But I like that they sent caps that can match for multiple skin tones. So then I also got an elastic strap in the bag, which you can sew onto the wig. And then another wrap. Like, they doing the thing, honey, with the gifts. Like, amazing. So this hair wrap is in here as well, and this is like the satin one. So they sent the velvety one and a satin one. Real cool. I like that. I'll have to see what the velvet ones are used for in particular. Like, is it something different or what? But yeah, so that is what came in the bag. And then this is the hair. Let me back up some. My bottoms don't match. I totally would have put jeans on, but you know, for the video I just put this on because usually you only see the top, but you can see how long the hair is. Let me just stand up. Comes all the way down to here. I believe this is a 30-inch natural wave, and then this is the back. So yes, this is the hair. Super cute. I wanted to do something different, and I really didn't want to like lay the lace. I kind of just more so wanted my hair to be out in the front, so that's why I ended up doing this. And yeah, if y'all want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. All right, so I just put the wig on and put it like a part in the middle, but I haven't gelled down anything or anything like that. Like, it's totally removable. So I'm just going to start laying my parting area down to see what I want to do with this wig. Okay, so I just put a part in the middle, and then I'm going in with my hot comb and just flattening down the section so that the middle part can lay really nice and flat. So this was initially when I was going to do a middle part, but then I did decide to switch it over. So you can kind of skip this step if you want, but if you want to do a middle part, then go ahead and follow these steps and use a wax stick and a hot comb to do so. So after I do that, I do go in and wet the hair down. I did already co-wash the hair, but the top part was a little dry, and I didn't really wet that part because I didn't want the whole wig to be soaking wet. So I just put some water in the hair all over, and then I'm going in with a generous amount of BioSilk. You can use whatever kind of oil you want to use, but this hair was a little bit more on the drier side, so I did want to moisturize it. And also the BioSilk is going to give the hair a really nice shine, and BioSilk also smells really bomb. So after I apply that, then I go in and kind of comb it through. So now I'm going to start styling the hair. So I really still didn't know what I wanted to do, so I pulled out all of this hair. You don't really have to do this, but whenever you're laying your baby hairs, you probably will want to go ahead and just pull that out and then tuck anything extra back that you don't need or whatever. So I'm just going in and laying my baby hairs down. I am using the Sweeties Kiss Edge Control. So I'm just using that to lay my baby hairs and also using an edge brush as well. So I'm going to do one swoop and then I'm going to go in and do another swoop. And then I will do a little sideburn piece. So not very much baby hairs, but you know, it still gives the vibe that I was going for. And I did the same thing on the other side as well because I still wasn't sure exactly what I was going to do yet. The other side is not really going to be seen, so you can kind of just do the one side and skip doing the other side because you won't be able to see it anyway with this particular style. But I just left it in so y'all could see what I was doing, and I was still kind of playing around and not knowing what I was going to do just yet. So I kind of left the hair out, and then I was slicking it back and like moving the wig around and seeing what I wanted to do. Then I ended up tucking the hair underneath because I was going to just kind of pull it back and wear it like a headband wig and put a headband on. But then I was like, no, I want to do a flip over. Like this hair was giving me flip over vibes, not a middle part. And I always do middle parts anyway. So I just went ahead and flipped the hair over. And you can already see how the hair looks flipped over, and it's real cute. But we have to go ahead and hide that band where the lace is. So I did go back in and pull my hair back out. And you just want to leave enough hair out that you're able to conceal the band. And I'm going in with my hot comb and kind of pushing my hair back to blend it in with the hair as well. Then I'm going to use my edge brush with whatever edge control is left on the brush and just kind of mold my hair into place where I want it to be. If you need to grab more edge control during this process, then just use more. But you can already see how it's looking and laying down together and just looking real good. You do want to go in and conceal the lace right in the front area. I kind of had stopped recording, so I didn't show it, but then I do go back in and perfect it and add some more. So you will see me do that in a second. But I'm just adding more bio silk, and I'm showing you how long the hair is and the length and everything like that. So it's looking real good. So I'm just working that in, and it gives the hair a really pretty shine as well, and the hair was not as dry. So this is how it looks so far. It's already blending in bomb, but anywhere where you can see that lace peeking through, I just went in with some black eyeshadow and tapped it in with an angle brush to just conceal it so that it can match my hair color, and the wig and everything just blends in better and it doesn't look like a lace. So yeah, but you can still kind of see that little part on the side where it's flipped over, so it still gives a very natural kind of vibe. So real simple, just play around with it and get the hair to sit how you want it to sit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy. Alright, y'all, so here's the completed look. Sorry if y'all can hear that, but it is currently pouring down raining. So yeah, this is the completed look. I've just not been feeling lace lately, and if y'all watched the video where I had the bangs, then you know what's going on with my hairline situation. So I just didn't want to put anything on it like that. So I just decided to do a flip over method with a lace wig because I just wanted to leave my own hair out in the front and give it a more natural appearance, but I still really liked how long and pretty this hair is, and it is giving a little bit more dry, so I did add quite a bit of bio silk to the hair. But yeah, and I also like that it's already kind of like layered, so I didn't even go in and cut that myself. It was already like that, and it is still really full. Like this isn't even all of the hair. There is more hair pushed to the back, so whenever I put all of the hair up, it's like all of this hair, like it's super full and it's long. So yeah, it's real cute. And then I made it versatile, so you don't have to wear it where you gel it and glue it down or anything like that, because this looks really good and it looks like a regular flip over method, but you have your own hair out in the front, so you can let your edges breathe sometimes. So yeah, if y'all have questions, leave those down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.